going to go and pick up Georgia from uni. Then we're going to go on a nice walk with Jess along Exeter Quay and hopefully pick up lunch somewhere.
We've not been to Exeter Quay, have we?
No, not at all. We don't know Exeter very well at all.
No, I did see a weir, so maybe we'll see that too. Who knows?
As they were coming to see me, I thought I'd take them to one of my favourite places, Exeter Quay, which is about 35-minute walk from where I was living.
What is that?
I think it's a hare.
Oh, yes, if Jess sees that, oh, there you go, Mum. Oh, this is not too shabby at all. I don't know which river that is, but there's another one. If I just go over the top here. Over there. I think there's a weir down here. Obvious. There's quite a few train stations around this neck of the wood, isn't there, Georgia?
Yeah, too many to count. I think there's 5 or 6, but you never know at the end of the day.
And now I was right, there is a weir, and it's the convergence point of those two bits of river that split apart. They're back together again, and there's a fisherman in there, look.
And if you just cross this bridge, there's a really lovely pub called Mill on the Exe, and I'd highly recommend going there if you'll visit him.
Which we were, and as it was lunchtime, let's grab a bit of food. So we did, and being the athletes that we are, we took to walking it off. Now the food was good, the pub, it was dog friendly, well outside anyway, but you did have to wait a while in order to get it. That's probably due to COVID. There you go, we come walking all the way around here, which was a lovely walk by the way, and then we're going over to the Quay. That's what it's called, Georgia? Yeah. The Quay.
The Quay is a lovely scenic, shopping, entertainment area and a real hub in Exeter, so it's a must go.
Oh, what a lovely location. If I pan round a bit, there's shops and all those green things. All the way down there's a bridge over there apparently somewhere. And if you fancy a bit of learning how to canoe, see, and if you fancied a little bit of sailing lessons instead, no Jess? Or perchance take your hand at a bit of archery. Yeah, but look at this. Hey, look, there's another fisherman. Oops. Now these geese were also extremely vocal, but they were keeping their beady eye on Jess, look. Well, it's our last day today. I do have the awning and stuff to take down, but as the weather is so nice, we thought we'd take a quick pop down to Sidmouth, being it's our nearest place. Half an hour, possibly.
Yeah, we're just going to enjoy a couple of hours shopping, walking by the sea, very light lunch, and then come back and pack up later. And then evening meal at our friendly neighbourhood pub.
Oh yeah, fab.
David's already decided he's having lasagna.
Has he?
Yeah, he asked me what I wanted. I have no idea, I can't decide now.
Take care! We will have a nice day. Right, see you later in a bit, bye. And as we head for the car park, we're confronted by a man in the middle of the road cleaning a window. So that's how it's done. This is a little bit different to what it was like the other day, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, much more. as you can see, there's about 3 foot of sand.
Yeah, this is the beach. Well, the rest of it's stone, isn't it?
Yeah. And you can see how it's spread out. People are spread out on the stony bit.
But not on the sandy.
Not on the sandy bit at all. And in fact, even this angle doesn't belie how close they are to each other.
Go around that corner to the right, see where that goes. Shall we?
Yeah. Go on.
You need to film, this is prehistoric bricks. Ignore the concrete and cement in between, but these are prehistoric bricks.
Yeah, please ignore Steve doing his really poor impression of Tiny Tim.
How long were they there making that?
Captain Harry.
Oh, cafe. It's entirely dog friendly, isn't it?
What do you want, a pasty or a sausage roll?
Use your love. See what they got. See, we have to go around there. That's alright, this, isn't it?
Nice lake.
Nice lake. What, that? It's not a lake.
Why not?
Oh, there are people down there out on their boogie boards and things. What do you think, Jess? It's alright.
You wouldn't stay on the beach long, would you?
No, I'd have to get one of these paddle boards, I think. Because everybody else seems to be doing that. Don't give that a try, though. It's good fun, that does.
Up there is a nice little kiosk where you can get pasties and sausage roll. So that's what we've done for lunch. And it's right in front of the sea, which is really nice. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Do they sell other stuff up there apart from food?
They sell things like swim suits, boogie boards, paddles.
Okay. What? Those boards, they actually sell them?
Not those boards, like small ones.
And ice cream.
All in all, it's enough. So when you come into Sidmouth, if you aim to the right, it looks like the beach ends, but it doesn't. It goes round this corner and it opens up into another beach.
And in actual fact, I think when the tide's out, you can go all the way around, but you probably wouldn't risk it these days. You can see it's going to be
Yeah, but if you're all the way over there, you've got your kind of private beach, nobody on it. Now we did shopping as well, but I just want to show you this. This is a little baby crow, and you can hear his mum and dad crying out from up the top. Oh, yes.
falling out the nest.
And one other main shop here is a Christmas shop. And I thought, oh, let's go in there. But guess what? They didn't have any Christmas stock, so I don't even know why that door's open. Well, that was alright, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely.
Good plan into the day.
Yeah, we had a nice day. We had a pasty, like you see. We've had an ice cream. We've done some shopping. It's all good.
Yeah,
I'm looking at it.
even you got some stuff, haven't you? Yeah. What?
Yeah, so that's it. That's our third holiday in the caravan of 2021. Almost done and dusted.
Is that it? Even you've been shopping. That got a new collar. I'm so tired. Well, thank you, Putts Corner. We've had a fantastic week away. Hospitality and the friendliness of people down here, absolutely brilliant. And only one bad day of poor weather, which is not bad for the UK. All that leaves me to do is like, subscribe and hit the little bell, please.